Students, we have just now seen how human beings, they give birth to the babies. So my question is, do hens also give birth to babies like humans? So the answer would be no. We will see how it occurs in hens. So we know that the type of fertilization that occurs in hen is internal fertilization only. So it is internal fertilization. So the fertilization will occur inside the body of the hens. So in hens, soon after fertilization, zygote is formed, and the zygote will then undergo repetitive cell division, and it will travel down the oviduct. Can you see here? It is traveling down the oviduct. And as it travels down, many protective layers are formed around it. So as it moves down, many protective layers are formed. So you can see that hard shell that is present in hen's egg is one such protective layer. So once this hard shell is formed around the developing embryo inside the hens, so the hen will then lay egg. It lays the egg, and for about 3 weeks the hen will provide sufficient warmth to those eggs by sitting on it. And during this period, the embryo in hen, it develops into chick. And when chick is completely developed, it breaks the eggshell and then it comes out of the hen. So you can see here this process. The egg, here the embryo is formed, and then the egg will sit on those egg, and it will provide sufficient warmth to those egg. And after the embryo is developed fully, this chick will come out of the egg. Now, depending on whether the animal is giving birth to the young ones or it is laying egg, we have two different types of animals. We will study about this. In animals such as human being, cow, dog, the development of embryo, it takes place inside the mother's body. So once completed, mother will give birth to the young ones. So such animal which give birth to their young ones are called as viviparous. So viviparous animals, they give birth to their young ones. So they will give birth to their young ones, viviparous animals. Another group of animals such as hen, birds, here the development of embryo takes place in egg outside the mother's body. So those animals which lay egg are called oviparous animals. So animals which lay egg are called oviparous. So we have two different types of animals, viviparous, which will give birth to the young ones, and oviparous, which will lay egg. Now this we have seen in case of internal fertilization. In animals which will undergo external fertilization, for example, fish, frog, the development of the embryo, it also takes place outside the female's body. The embryo will continue to grow within their egg coverings. So they used to have covers, isn't it? The egg coverings. So development of embryo will also take place within their egg coverings. So after the embryo is developed, the egg is hatched. So after the embryo develops, the egg hatch, and thus new offspring will come out from that.